Hi, I'm Griffin Cataldo, and this report is coming to you from eastern Massachusetts, where the air temperature is 39 degrees on a cloudy night in the city of Boston tonight. You can see the Zakim Bridge and the black sky in the background. Had some clouds this afternoon, and that was pretty much the theme for today. We had some high cirrostratus clouds up in the sky. For your weather headlines, we're watching two storms, and Thursday's storm looks a bit more impressive, but otherwise not too much to say. It's a relatively quiet pattern, and you'll see that in the 7 day forecast after we get by Thursday. Things kind of settle down a little bit, maybe a storm on Sunday, but beyond that, things kind of do settle down and have settled down over the past few days. For tonight, it's a mostly cloudy night and then perhaps a bit of clearing towards morning, but I don't think there'll be much. And 34 to about 38 degrees with the warmest temps on the Cape and the coldest about in the Pittsfield Hills out to the west that way. For tomorrow, it's a mixed bag early, and I think your best shot at some sun will be southeastern Massachusetts, south of Boston, but it's not a great chance of it. And even if you do get a bit of sun, there's some clouds mixed in as well. And then it's cloudy for everyone after about 10 a.m. And there's perhaps some rain in the evening that I'm going to show you in a moment. And the temps about 48 to 50 degrees for tomorrow. Warmest, I would say the city could get about 50. I would say Connecticut can get about 50. The Cape's going to be one of the coldest spots, as well as the Pittsfield Hills. And that's because the breeze will be a bit stronger for the Cape with that breeze coming right off the water. So here's your winds for tomorrow. For tonight, 5 to 15 inland, and then for the city, it's kind of 10 to 20, and the Cape running about 5 to 15 for tonight, miles per hour. And then for tomorrow, inland, in the hills, 0 to 10. And then for the eastern part of the state, I think we're 10 to 15. Best shot at getting that 15 will be, I'd say, early-ish afternoon. After you get to about 4 or 5 o'clock, the winds start to die down again. And for the Cape, you can notice 10 to 25 miles per hour for the winds tomorrow. And so that's why they'll be a bit more locked in with the temperatures, and the sun won't really be able to win out. So we are watching some rain for tomorrow, but it looks pretty limited. I think it's mainly going to be focused in the western part of the state, and it's very light rain. Notice the light intensity of it. So it may come into the city around 7 or 8 p.m., but it's very light rain. Kind of starts in the west around 3 or 4 p.m., progresses into the Hartford area around 6, into the city 7 or 8, 9 p.m., but it's very light rain, and it's out by, I'd say, 10, 11, perhaps midnight at the latest. So that's kind of that system. And then there is another system that we'd have to watch for Thursday. That one looks a bit more impressive, and it's going to be rain because we're so warm. That would be more like Thursday afternoon, starting in the morning into the afternoon, and then it may not get out to about 7 p.m. on the Cape or so. And as far as how much rain we're talking about from tonight's storm or tomorrow night's storm, it's just about 2/10 of an inch of rain, and that is in the western part of the state where they're going to have the rain for the longest, possibly as early as 2 or 3 p.m. For the city of Boston, it's even less than that. So it's not a big rainmaker. For the next 7 days, tomorrow is perhaps some sun early, but it's cloudy for the second half of the day and for the majority of the day, and then a bit of rain towards evening, but it's not much. 48 degrees, 46 on Wednesday, partly cloudy, and then we got likely some rain coming in for Thursday. I don't think it's going to be a wind event, though, but it will be some rain. Partly cloudy Friday, cloudy by the time we talk about Saturday, 41 degrees, partly cloudy Sunday, 35, and then you notice what happens Sunday, Monday, we cooled down 32 degrees with sunny skies by the time we talk about Sunday. That's my latest forecast right now. I'll be back with another update tomorrow. Have a fantastic rest of your night.